Good morning, everyone. It's still your friend and tutor, Aluko Abraham Ayonimofe. I sincerely apologize for the delay in posting another video. So, I'm here today to take biology, and the topic I want to take is a very short topic, but I apologize and beg you to please listen attentively to this video so that we can gain one or two days together. So, what I would like to treat with us is the instrument that can be used to measure ecological factors. Now, the instruments and their what? Ecological function or uses. The instrument and the ecological function or uses. Now, the first one I would like to treat is rain gauge. We all know a rain gauge. Now, a rain gauge is used to measure the what? The amount of rainfall. A rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rainfall. The next one I would like to talk about is the what? Anemometer. The anemometer is used for measuring the wind speed. Anemometer is used for measuring the wind speed. Then wind vane is used for measuring the wind direction. Wind vane is used for measuring wind direction. The next one I'd like to talk about is barometer. Barometer is used to measure the what? Pressure. Barometer is used to measure pressure. Then hygrometer is used for measuring relative humidity. Hydrometer is used for measuring relative humidity. Measuring tape is used for measuring the length and height of objects. Measuring tape is used for measuring the length and height of objects. Then slope gauge is used for measuring the slope of an area of land. Slope gauge is used for measuring the slope of an area of land. Then Secchi disc is used for measuring the turbidity or transparency of what? Water. Secchi disc is used for measuring the transparency or turbidity of water. The next one I'd like to talk about is the what? Photometer. Photometer is used for measuring the light intensity in what? On land. Photometer is used for measuring the light intensity on land. Then meter rule is used for measuring the length of objects. Meter rule is used for measuring the length of objects. The next one I'd like to talk about is the what? Minimum and maximum mercury in glass thermometer. I take it again. Minimum and maximum mercury in glass thermometer. This is used for measuring the lowest and highest temperature of the day. This instrument is used for measuring the lowest and highest temperature of the day. The next one I would like to talk about is the depth gauge. Depth gauge or depth meter is used for measuring the depth of running water. Depth gauge or depth meter is used for measuring the what? The depth of running or standing water. The next one I'd like to talk about is the pooter. Pooter, pooter. It is used for collecting tiny insects from a leaf or stem. A pooter is used for collecting tiny insects from a leaf or stem. And we have various aspects of this instrument that we are going to talk about. So I've mentioned like 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. So, and the last one I would like to touch is the light meter. Light meter is used for measuring light intensity on land. Light meter is used for measuring light intensity on land. So this aspect, it talks about the instrument and how they are what used and their functions. So when we look around us today, we notice that these instruments are in wide use because of their functions. For instance, this wind vane that is used for measuring wind direction, you cannot use an instrument used for measuring wind speed to measure wind direction. Even in physics, we know that speed and what? And distance, they have similar features. But in biology, we know that wind speed, it is measured by the instrument known as what? Anemometer. And wind vane is measured by the instrument known as what? Wind direction is measured by wind vane. So today I just want to share the what? The simple instruments and their functions. So later today on my next class, I would like to post the pictures of these instruments one after the other, so that we can all see what I'm trying to say. So thank you very much for staying tuned to this channel. Please like and share this channel and share this video. Thank you very much. God bless you.